Welcome to Back to Basics. Today we're talking about the Ford Mustang. Today we're going to show you how to connect your phone to your Mustang. Step 1, you're going to want to start it up. Step 2, you're going to want to add your phone. You can either click it here on your home screen or find it here in your vehicle settings. Next up, you're going to open your settings on your phone, locate your Bluetooth, and down here under other devices, it'll appear, Ford Mustang. Next, you're going to want to confirm that both PIN numbers match. You're going to go ahead and hit pair and hit yes. It's going to ask if you want to sync your contacts. You can go ahead. Next, you can connect to your Apple CarPlay if you are an iPhone user, or you can connect to Android Auto if you are Android. And voila, your phone is now connected to your Ford Mustang. Thank you for watching Back to Basics. Follow for more videos like this.